Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to delete Pixverse AI video, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already landed in Pixverse AI platform, and this is our interface for our home, where we can allow to see various videos over that place, and all are made by using AI. So if you want to delete your AI video from that platform, then it's really easy. And I think you already created a video over this Pixverse platform, and now you don't want that video. That for a reason, you just need to be go in this option, create option, and then you will get this kind of interface where you can create another, like I can say, that video. So if you want to delete this video, you just need to be hover in this video, and then you will find out this option to download, edit, and also delete, and also for the share. And I'm going to click on delete. Once I click over here, they will ask me, are you sure to delete this file? This action cannot be undone. Okay, yes, I am literally sure. Just click over here on the OK, and actually you can see it will be deleted within a second. If I refresh it now, you are not allowed to view this video. Here you can see video not found. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.